As I explained what is if else condition, if you haven't watched that video, please go there and watch it. So similar type of I am going to explain what is match condition. So match is work instead of if you are using if else condition. So there is an option for match. Its match condition is a new in Python. This is very new in Python. When you are working in very new in Python, so new version, so it is installed with new version or updated version. So how it is work? So earlier we were using like this if else condition. So suppose uh, I am declaring two variable. Variable A is 20 and variable B is 30. Now I'm declaring if else condition if A is less than B, then print this is A, this A is less than B, less than B. So now if condition will not fall true, so it will go into else condition. This is else condition. So earlier we were using like this. So now I'm just printing. It will give the output of this as the less than B. So this condition is true. If I am just reversing the this one like this, so it goes into the else part. So this condition, this is a else condition. So this condition is false. So it will switch on to this condition. So how cases work? So now I'm just commenting this with this. So now, so I am commenting entire thing. I am selecting entire thing for comment. If you haven't watched that comment video, please go there and watch it. So match, suppose I want to match condition of uh I am declaring variable A and I want to match condition of 2. So now you have to use match keyword along with its variable, declare variable with different cases. Suppose I am making the case 1 with semicolon and print this is case 1, otherwise case 2. So this is a new concept in Python I am explaining. This is case case 2. So when I'm run how it will work. So a value comes with match and match will check each of the condition. According to that, you can just make so many condition like in between so many conditions you can just write it into case. So it will just check all the condition. So 2 is matching the case second condition, so it will print this is the case 2. So when I'll just print it, this is the case 2. You can also match this like 2, like if you are facing too many conditions to write, so like this. So and now 4 4 5 6 like this. So if I want to match two conditions, so this will print uh, case 1. This is a case 1. If I don't want to, if I am checking 3 1, it will also print the case 1 because 3 is present in case 1. This case under this case, and when I'm just printing 5, so 5 comes in under this case with value of match variable A. So now this is a case 2. So again, I am just checking 6. So 6 is matched with same condition. So this is benefit. You can just take it with the using of match condition. This is a very basic example for your understanding. If you are following my channel and for if you want to learn advanced data analysis, machine learning, AI concept, please follow this video. So the purpose of making of this video is for understand basic to advanced concept of Python. So if you are following all the series of Python, so you will understand all the basic to advanced. If you are going for interview or anything, you will easily understand everything. Thank you so much.